Hello, welcome back. Today we will study Grashof law and we will go with the case of parallelogram. So, in parallelogram, opposite links are of same length. So you can see in the animation. And now I am going to start in Solidworks. So let's move to the first of all. Let's see in the drawings. Okay, there are different linkages. So this is the ground link, and this is the link 1, and this dimension is of link 3, and this one is of link 2. So in this video I will not draw the all the linkages. I will just show you assembly, and then I'll animate them in the SolidWorks. So let's go to the assembly, draw new assembly. Okay, now I have already the parts. Okay, so I will just assemble them. So first of all I'll need to make some reference point. Okay, so that's the front plane. I make it normal to top plane and right plane. Okay, I select both of these two linkages and make some reference, go to reference and draw axis. Okay, so one axis here, and then I will draw a reference plane at the distance of 110, because my the opposite link is of also length 110, so I'll have to keep that 110 right plane and at the distance of 110. So I'll make it parallel, sorry, again reference plane, so with respect to right plane. Okay, at the distance of 110, so I'll keep it 110. Now I have to draw another axis like that with the help of, so this axis and top plane and make reference axis. So here is another reference. So we got two references. Now we import our parts. So browsing, link 2, link 0. So I open link 0. So it's showing error. I think I'll have to close it. Sorry for the, first of all we close this. So yes, now we are good. Go to the, we'll open link 0, open, still trouble. Actually I have opened these reference files already, so that's why it's showing errors. Once I close these all, then we are good to go. So browse link 0, open. See, when I opened all of these reference files which were opened, so it's not opening. Now I select this circular and select this, I make it coincident. Okay, so it is giving sort of error. Actually this is fixed. So first we make it float, we go to it float, so now we can move it. Before that we were unable to move. Now we will go to this mate, select this and go to tree manager and select this. Okay, and again we have to make this and top plane also parallel, so it is symmetrical. Now we make it fixed. Now it is fixed. Now go to the front plane, normal 2. Now it is okay. Now click control and then drag it away. Okay, and leave it. Click drag and leave the click. Now select this circular profile and the other linkage and make it coincident, and make this side and front plane coincident. Okay, again this side and top plane make parallel. So this plane and front plane coincident. Sorry, I did not made it coincident with front plane, so I'll have to make it first of all float and make it coincident to front plane, coincident to front plane. Yeah, now I make it again fix. Now our link 0 is good to go. Now I'll add link 1. Okay, link 1 open, just place it here. Okay, now select this circular profile and this circular profile and make it coincident, and then select, you can select this side as well. Okay, I select this side, select this side and select this side, make coincident. Okay, see, now I can move it like this because it is fixed to this hinge. Again I make the, I import other link, so link 3. Okay, I'll connect it here. So same process, it's easy, no, nothing to worry about. And I bring it a little bit ahead, and then I click this, and then I click this, make coincident. Now this is also fixed to hinge, now we can move it. Now I have to bring link 0, link 1 and then link 2. Okay, insert component, browse link 2, open and then place here. So I'll rotate it so that it is faced to that side a little bit. Okay, now make this and make this coincident. Okay, make this and make this coincident. Now select this and select this, make coincident. Okay, now see, it is ready. Still I think we should make some constraint like that it should always be parallel to this. So I'll make it this and top plane, so make them parallel, not coincident. Yeah, so we got parallel and okay, now we are good. So here are all of our mate. Okay, you can see the mates, plus you can individually see every mate from here. Like if you want to see the mates of these, select this and view mates, you can see the mates as well. See, so these, all of these are mate. So I go to the front plane. So in next video I'll make them animations. Okay, thank you very much.